So you already have a pre-made loops here. So what are you going to do is just pull through these loops by hand. It is especially good for little ones just to practice their fine motor skills, and for the elderly people, like for example my mom likes to help me out just doing this kind of motions. It helps her to exercise her arthritis hands. So yeah, and that's it. Here you have a foundation chain, and then you would go just round and round until you have your desired length and width of your project.